exposing the secret sauce in Toyota's efficiency. Meet the 3M model, Muri, Mura, and Muda. These three words might sound like a law firm, but they're actually the backbone of Toyota's efficiency game. Let's break it down. First up, Muri. Picture a truck overloaded with boxes, overburdened. That's Muri. When we push people or machines too hard, things break down. Now think about Mura. Imagine that same truck, but the load is uneven. One day it's light, the next day it's heavy. That's Mura. Unevenness. It leads to unpredictable work and chaos. Finally, Muda. Waste. It's like carrying empty boxes. They add no value and just take up space. Muda is all about cutting out those useless activities. So what's the takeaway? Balance is key. Avoid overburdening, maintain consistency, and eliminate waste. That's how you unlock efficiency with Toyota's 3M model. Find this useful? Follow Ivan Carrillo for more. And don't forget to repost to help your network.